Hello. Hi. What's the time? This is still morning. I'm in front of GT Bank. We came to come and sort out some things. I want to take you guys to one place I went to yesterday and I didn't film. It's Uncle Stan's. I'm taking there, and it's like a small chops kind of place where you can go and order and pick up your small chops. So we're going to go there, we're going to order, and we're going to eat the small chops in the car. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. So I'll just go into the bank, do what I have to do, then we'll go to Uncle Stan's small chops. I'll put their Instagram handle up here so you can have a look and check them out. They are in Lekki phase 1. I don't know if they have other branches. Let me even check that out if they do have other branches. I've been receiving my dividend payment since morning. Sometimes that feeling of credit alert into your phone, it gives you this kind of feeling, this kind of nice feeling, like thank you very much, I appreciate it. It might not be much, but it just feels good. Like I had what's it called, I had one time I woke up in the morning, no, not in the morning, I had an afternoon nap, and that was on a Sunday, and I got like 50 something alerts on my phone, and I heard what's going on, but they were like all this 2K here, 3K here, 5K here, 6K here, but it was just random dividend payment. I heard what? I was just scrolling ahead. Yay, even if it's small, I don't care, man. I'm going to it just feels good to see credit alert instead of debit alert. Funny enough, it makes me feel good. Anyway, if I divert, let me check if Uncle Stan's has other locations. I don't want to talk about this. Russia, Ukraine, I don't want to talk about it. We in Nigeria, in Lagos, we have what we're struggling with. I can't come and carry another country's palaver and put on my head. And people are saying, is it going to affect your country? Yes. Although we that have been living in this manner for this long, what could they do? The first custody right now, NEPA is not doing their work. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what the excuse is. The dam dried up. The dam is not working. What is the excuse this time? If you're in Nigeria, or you are planning to come to Nigeria, and you have a house here, if you're not an Airbnb or a hotel, my dear, please install solar panels. At least that can help you. What we have plenty in abundance is human beings and sun. Humans and sun. So before I divert, Uncle Stan's. Okay, I've seen it. Uncle Stan's. Okay, they have in Lekki, and they have in Ikota complex. Yeah, look at them. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. So I think I will let me see the price list. They have the 600 pack, 750 pack, 850 pack. Sorry, the 850 pack. Why are they doing this? Okay, they have the 850 pack, 1 2 pack, 1 8 pack, 2 4 pack, and the solo deluxe pack for 3.5. So I think I should get the solo deluxe pack because it has everything inside. Let me tell you what it has. Let me tell you what everything has. The 600 pack has 1 spring roll, 1 samosa, 1 gizzard, and 4 puff puff and 4 musas. The 750 pack has 1 spring rolls, 1 samosa, 1 chicken, 4 puff puff, and 4 musa. 850 is 1 spring rolls, 1 samosa, 1 chicken, 1 gizzard, 4 puff puff, and 4 musas. The 1 2 pack, 1 spring rolls, 1 samosa, 1 chicken, 1 gizzard, 1 fish finger, 4 puff puff, and 4 musas. The 1 8, you are not even paying me. I've seen that head talking about their menu. The 1 8 pack has 1 spring rolls, 1 samosa, 1 chicken, 1 gizzard, 1 fish, 4 puff puff, 4 musas, 1 fantail prawn. The 2 4-pack has 1 spring rolls, 1 samosa, 1 chicken, 1 gizzard, 1 fish finger, 4 puff puff, 4 morsels, 1 fantail prawn, and 1 snail. The solo deluxe pack, that is the 3-5 one, has 1 spring rolls, 1 samosa, 1 chicken kebab, 1 quiche kebab, 4 puff puff, 4 morsels, 1 crumbled sausage, 1 gizzard, 1 fish finger, 1 snail, and 1 fantail. Why did they have to put, why are they putting only 1 spring rolls? Why didn't they just put 2 spring rolls, 2 samosas, 2 chicken? Remove that crumbled sausage. I don't even know what that is. Anyhow, I'm going to call them to be ready before I get there. I'm going to call them. They even have platters for 10, platters for 5. Yeah, I think I don't get the 3-5 one, because I had the 1-8 one yesterday and it was quite nice. So I'm going to call them. What's their number? I'm going to call them. Oh well. So what is going on? This guy just pulled his pants down. My lord, I don't know where to put my face. It's not looking. I don't know where to put my face because he just pulled his pants down. I don't know. I'm coming closer. What's going on with him? Oh Lord, what would Musa see at the gate? How? He just pulled his pants down and was looking for something in his pants. As in trousers. When I say pants, I mean trousers. He put his trousers down, as in plus his boxers. He pulled it down and he was searching for something there. Wow. There's some strange things going on. Okay, let me mind my business. I've been a Proko worker. Yeah, he was right in front of me, so I was just wondering. I think it was kind of scary though. These places. Okay. I started watching Lock and Key yesterday, the TV show on Netflix. Started watching it again yesterday, and I missed a lot when I watched it the first time. I missed a lot because the first time I think I got the hang of the movie, of this TV show, but this time I'm watching it, I'm not saying okay now. It's making a lot of sense now. As in, it's quite interesting. Now I'm in episode 6, season 2, episode 6. So if you've not watched it, then watch it. It's quite interesting. It's interesting, but it's kind of slow, as in the storyline is slow. It's taking their time to release the gist. I keep just fast forwarding some part that's done the talking. I beg, fast forward. Allow me to hear all those stories. Move to the action parts. Oh my days. Let me call these people and book for my platter. Okay, I'll see you guys when I pick up my platter. We're going to eat in the car because I don't think they have a eating place there. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Hey, I've picked up the small chops. This is how it comes. So, yeah. So, Yeah, let me show you what it looks like inside the plates. I don't want people looking at me when I eat. So this is mosa, spring rolls, samosa, the prawn, chicken, and fish in batter. Okay, let's start. Let's have the mosa. Mosa. Mosa is made from plantain, Obara plantain. Spring rolls. Nothing special about the spring rolls here. Snail, baby snail. The chili, the spices, oh man. Okay, let's try the chicken. I'm waiting for people to pass. Okay, here's the chicken. The chicken is a bit dry, but it's flavored nicely. I can taste the smoky flavor out of it. Okay, let's try the gizzard. Here's the gizzard. Okay, spiced well, a bit tough, well, spiced well, nice. Okay, the puff puff. Puff puff. You can't go wrong with puff puff. You can't go wrong. When I came here, there were no cars driving it up and down. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, the fish in batter. Fish, puff puff, goes well together. Can I have like fish inside puff puff? Like if you make the fish, you can have the fish inside the puff puff. That'd be nice. And the flavor is giving me top notch. Then the samosa. How are you feeling? The pastry is quite thick. The filling is not much inside. Okay. Chicken. What's this? Okay. Okay. Nice, fast, small chops pickup. And that package was 2 for. I didn't get the 351 again because it will take like 90 minutes. I can't wait for that. So now I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what is the closest, what is your best small chops location for your small chops. What is the best place to get small chops? Because I'm going to try different small chop places, and so far right now I'm enjoying this Uncle Stan's, and it's not bad at all. I like the fact that chicken and all the proteins like the chicken, the gizzard, the snail, all seasoned properly, and it's spicy. I love spicy stuff, so it's giving me. The only issue I have with this package is the samosa and the spring rolls. It's not giving. The chicken is a bit dry, yeah. So, but the taste of the chicken, the flavor of the chicken is really nice. But yeah, that's the only con of this package. The filling for the samosa is really. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next.